Hey guys, my name is Luis. I'm with Revit, and today I'll be showing you guys how to do a brake job on your Ford Transit Connect. These are the tools that you'll need for the job. So I have a 15mm socket and a 19. These are for the impact. And then I have a 7mm Allen head. So the tool we're gonna be using today is a brake caliper decompression tool, and it looks like this. So we're gonna start off by removing the wheel cover. There we go. And then you grab your 19mm socket. Remember, lefty loose. Always keep a hammer around. So to remove the caliper, you're gonna have to take these caps off to get behind there and use your Allen head. And just remember, lefty means loosey. And you should be able to have enough space in here to get your 1/2 inch. Just take it off. So then you want to grab your 15mm socket and you want to get behind the rest of the caliper. So this is your rotor. my social energy, I guess.
Kitties.
Explain what you doing.
We're using Maverick. I'll put crash in it. Take it to the dump. But not the heavy rotor.
Shut up, player.
Explain what you doing real quick. Explain what you just did.
So I just installed the new brake pads. As you can see, the little metal piece goes on the inner side of it. It's like, yeah. Okay, so I'll show you guys how to set up this tool. So you're gonna find the piece that best fits your caliper. For me, it's number 3. So you just press it on there, and you grab your other tool. So now we're gonna put the caliper back on. Everything's decompressed and ready to go. So just slide it on. Make sure it lines up.